A Macomb County mother at the center of a national adoption fraud case will stay behind bars until her trial. That's the decision of a federal judge who said Tara Lee has shown a lack of respect for the law.
Right, and 7 investigator Heather Catallo was in the courtroom today. She has more now from Ann Arbor.
Tara Lee looked visibly nervous here in court today. Her legs were shaking, and at one point she looked like she was near tears. She even tried to apologize to the judge, but he stopped her to keep her from possibly incriminating herself. Tara Lee will have to keep wearing her orange prison jumpsuit until a jury decides whether she's innocent or guilty. A federal judge locked up the unlicensed adoption worker back in March after the 7 investigators caught Lee on camera violating her bond by using a cell phone after she had been ordered not to. And now the feds say even from her jail cell, Lee has tried to tamper with witnesses in this nationwide adoption fraud case. The assistant U.S. attorney told Judge Bernard Friedman today that Lee recently used a video chat to get her 13-year-old daughter to reach out to a birth mom to see whose side she was on. Lee is charged with 23 counts of wire fraud and 1 count of aggravated identity theft. FBI agents say the 38-year-old from New Haven promised babies that did not exist and double-matched adoptive couples to the same birth moms in order to bilk those couples from across the country out of thousands of dollars. The feds now say Lee's proceeds from adoption work since 2014 totals more than $2 million.
It's not just about the money. You know, the family side of this whole thing is really where it hits the hardest, because that's what we wanted to do. That's what we signed up for, is to have a bigger family.
Judge Bernard Friedman told Lee her presumption of innocence was extremely important, and he tried to find a way to place her under house arrest so she could more easily prepare for trial with her lawyer. But ultimately, the judge said he did not believe Lee could follow the court's orders if she's released. What is her state of mind right now?
Disappointed. It's hard to be in custody when you have your family there and at a distance. That's difficult, but she's remaining optimistic.
Tara Lee's attorney tells me a plea agreement is still potentially an option, but if she doesn't take a deal, she heads to trial in November. At the federal court in Ann Arbor, I'm Heather Catallo, 7 Action News.
All right, Heather, thank you. All right.